Hello, my people. This is your boy Anyi Dons. All right, I am here to give you an update of how to use like 200 or 300,000 and become a billionaire within 6 months. This is an update. If you have made it in life, this update is not for you. If you are trying so hard to make it, this update is for you. Carry your seat, jelly, sit down and listen attentively. I'm about to give you this update. How to use 200 or 300,000 and become a billionaire in less than 6 months, not even 1 year. Use 200 or 300,000 and become a billionaire. This update is not for you. If you have made it in life, Kukuma, leave this video. Then if you are trying to make it in life like me, this update is for you. Which business are you going to start with? Or what's that business are you going to start with 200, 300 and become a billionaire in less than 6 months? My brother, is no other business than NGO, non-governmental organization. It has worked for so many people, and so many people don't want to let other people know that this is really working. It has worked for a lot of people. It's working currently for a lot of people, and I want you to key into this business now and make your own money, instead of you to join this kidnap gang, kidnapping your brother for money, ransom and all that. We don't want that again in this 2026. Leave kidnapping, join NGO. How are you going to make money with NGO? This is what I'm here to tell you. Number one, find a camera person, somebody that'll be holding your phone for you. Negotiate business with him. If possible, be paying him salary every month. Always have data on your phone. Always buy power bank and plug your phone. Make sure there is light on your phone. Then find a taxi man that will be carrying you around. Just be moving. Go to Onitsha, go to market areas, go to places where people are selling things, people are begging, people are in a hold up. Look for women who are breastfeeding babies, women who are handicapped, old women or men, because people have these sentiments for women. All right, when you meet them, dash them money. They will be so happy. Make sure your cameraman is active. You'll be recording every detail. You'll be so happy, or she'll be so happy for the gift you gave to her. All right, now once she has shown her happiness and gratitude, ask her, where do you live? If she needs help, she won't live in any way that is, fancy and that well touched. So take her to that place and make sure the cameraman will record every detail. Once you get there, show the atmosphere, show how dilapidated the building is, how unkept. Then you now use another 100,000. You've used the first 100,000 when you met her on the way. You now use another 100,000 to buy food stuff and some things for her. You come and deliver it to her. Now give it to her, record it too. Now tell the camera that this is the little you have, that you would have done more if you had more capacity. Now this is 200,000. You will now give her the things you bought with that 100,000. Record it, or the remaining 100,000, give it to her or use it to buy mattress. Now post the video. While editing the video, cut the places you need to cut, edit the video well, put your NGO account number there and post the video. Once you post the video, just go and relax. The video will start going viral. Once the video start going viral, these people are living outside the country. They will see it. They want our country to be better, so they normally send money once they see that we are suffering here. So once they see it, and some other people, they will think that they need to come in. Now they will start sending money. Some people don't even want people to know that they are sending money. They'll start sending money to that account you pasted on that video. Are you getting it? So they will send money. Some will send 100,000. Let's say people that send 100,000 are 10,000. 100,000 times 10,000. It should be 10 million. Yes. Some will send 200. Let's say 200 people are 2,000. That is 2 million. Am I right? Wait, I have my calculator here. Let's say 200 times 2,000 people. That is 400,000. So 100 times 10,000 people. That's 1 million. Sorry. So 1 million and 1.4. Then there are people that will send 500,000. Let's say those 500,000 are 2,000 people, or let's say 500 people send 500,000 times 500 persons. Then you have 500,000 times 500 people. You have 250 million naira. Okay, let's not exaggerate it. Let's say 500 people are just 200 times 200 people. 500,000 times 200. You have 100 million. So 100 million plus 1.4. You have 101,400,000. Okay, so in that money, and then there are people that will send 1 million. Let's say they are 30 or 40 people. 1 million, that is 40 million. So 141,400,000. That is your first gig. So in that 141 million, you use like 10 million to get a house for this woman, renovate it, buy small chairs, put television, buy small fridge. With 10 million, you can cover all these things and now give the woman like 4 million or 5 million. When you are doing this, the people that send 1 million will see that yes, you are using that money, because they don't know that they are sending this money. The 1 million people don't know how many people they are that sent 1 million. Even the 100 people and the 200, and they don't know how many they are. So once they see that you are using the money, they will think that they only raised 10 million without knowing that you raised 141,400,000. So when you have done all these things now, you still have 131,400,000 in your bank account, because not only you, they see your back end, your NGO back end, not only you. Are you getting it? Then you must come online, thank those people that sent 1 million, so that they will continue to send whenever you bring another case. Thank the people. Some people sent 500,000. Then when you say some people sent 500,000, now every other person that sent 500,000 will feel recognized, because they don't know how many they are. Sure you get, and how much they sent. So not only you, they see your back end. Now so you could just use 1 gig, make 131 million. All right. Make sure anybody you are raising money for, you don't send the money to that person's account. Make sure you always post your NGO account. That's the law to make money with that NGO business. Then another thing you will do is this: make sure you don't show that you have money. Always don't show your cars, don't show your houses, don't show your jewelries, don't show you are living fine. Because if you do that, people suspect that you are using that money, and they start putting eye for you. Always look hungry. Always show people that you are suffering. You are suffering and trying to help people. Make sure that every week you are helping communities, women, motherless babies. Be posting the updates on your social media, tagging UNICEF, tagging African Union, United Nations, World Health Organization. Be tagging them, because those people, they have money they share too. Once they share the money, their money comes in dollars. because they will share the money to charity, and you are part of the charity now because you dey run NGO. So you go receive your own money, and that is another sign. Another one is this: if you're living outside the country, people living outside the country can attest to this. You can only pay your tax to the government or to charity. So you can now use your NGO and clear tax for some people. Some people that have tax of 40 million, 50 million, and they don't want to pay it to the government, they can meet you. Once they meet you, they will send the 50 million to your account, NGO account. You will now discuss things. I'm taking 40% too. 40% of 50 million should be, you know the 40% of 50 million. Now you now take that one and send the remaining back to that person. Now it's on record that that person paid to charity, and you have now sent his money back. So that's what it has been working for many people. I'm telling you this so that you won't be left behind. Many people know this update, they don't want to share it. Now I'm sharing it to you free of charge. Don't thank me, don't give me. I have something I'm doing. I'm selling phone and charger. And they do a chaka. Now for people who don't get something, what do they do? Anybody where they help people for this country are always successful. To help Nigeria now is a very big work, and they pay. You don't need to pay tax because it's non-governmental and it's a charity business. Are you getting it? Make sure your camera is your second friend. Anything where you do, any pin where you give person, put them online. They update your page, create a website so that people will know you are serious. By so doing, in less than 6 months, you are going to be making a lot of money, making a lot of investment. NGO business, there is nothing more lucrative than this business. And if you make the mistake of putting the account of the person you are raising money for, some people, once the money enter the account, they will refuse to bring out the money. They can't give you anything. So once you put your NGO account, that's when you are going to make money. So this update, you must not put the person you are raising money for, he must not put his account or his or her account on any of the update you are putting out there. That's why some people like Okulora that are raising money for people in their account, that's why they are not making money now. Now, if I say all these things this is not me saying that NGO business is bad. No, this is me encouraging you to enter into NGO business. I have nothing to do with whether it's bad or anything that will give you money without you entering into kidnapping or crime or all that, disturbing people. Make your money JJL, all that. You will just be very, very industrious because you need to have contact of people that will be bringing helpless people for you. You'll be looking for helpless people up and down, asking people to show you where helpless people are. Make sure you waka, you move around all the time looking for people to help. That is how you are going to make money. Don't wait for people to come for you for help. Be looking for people. If you see anybody, ask the person, do you need help? You need help? Do you need help? Before you know it, you find 1 or 2 people that need help and you put them online and you make your money. You can say thank you to me. Don't send, and I'm not charging any percentage, and I'm not charging you for the updates. Another part 2 is coming, how to make money with NGO. Thank you. This is for a brother to a brother. And shout out to all the people doing NGO and trying to help the society. I have some people that I am sure that they are really, really trying to help the community, though they are outside the country. Women, at least I've seen that their own is very, 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 very fruitful. And I'm saying shout out to them. And I will always support them. So you can start your own NGO. Help people, make your own money. Now help. If I help you, go pay.